Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Maz and you are watching Mother Fashion YouTube channel. How are you, my dear subscribers and all my viewers? I hope you all are well and fine. My beautiful viewers, if you are new here, first of all I want to request you please subscribe my channel. And if you are new here, I want to tell you, you are watching Mother Fashion YouTube channel. In this channel you will see plus size mother of the bride dresses. So my beautiful viewers and all my subscribers, in this video we will explore the world of elegant mother of the bride dresses. Whether you are a mother of the bride or a groom, or if you are helping someone special in your life, find the perfect dresses for this momentous occasion. You are in the right place. So join us as we showcase a wide range of stunning mother of the bride dresses, providing you with inspiration and tips to make this important decision a breeze. From classic and timeless design to modern and trendy option, we have got you covered. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our fashion and wedding related content. Share your thoughts and questions in the comment section and we will be happy to assist you. Your son's or daughter's wedding is a momentous occasion, and we are here to help you look and feel your best on this special day. Let's dive into the world of mother of the bride dresses and make this experience memorable and stress-free. My beautiful viewers, if you want to buy these dresses, you can visit any online store. My beautiful viewers and all my subscribers, as you know, we are plus size community. Look no further, in this video we have created a stunning collection of mother of the bride dresses that will make you look and feel your best on this momentous occasion. My beautiful viewers and all my subscribers, please watch this video till the end and share this video with your family and friends. And please tell me in comment box what do you like in my video and which type of video do you like in future. So join us as we explore the latest trends, style and tips to help you choose the ideal dresses for your daughter's big day. From classic and timeless design to modern and chic option, we have got you covered. Our fashion expert will guide you through the key factor to consider when selecting your outfit, including color coordination, fabric choice, and the importance of the comfort. Whether you prefer a long flowing gown or a knee-length dresses with delicate details, our fashion showcase includes a variety of options to suit your personal style. You will also find valuable advice on accessorizing so you can create a complete and harmonious look that complement the wedding theme. We understand that every mother wants to shine on this special day while maintaining a sense of elegance and sophistication. We have carefully created a selection of dresses for every body type, ensuring that you will find the perfect fit that flatter your style out. Don't miss out on the opportunity to make a statement and create beautiful memories with your family. Join us in this fashion journey as we help you discover the perfect mother of the bride dresses for a day you will always be sure